Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 50, we can put 25 and 2 in here. This one we can put t to the power of 2, everything to the power of 2, because number 2 multiplied by number 2, we have number 4. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to t squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to 2t dt. So this one we change by u, 2t dt we change by du. Number 25 I will put in here. The integration of this one, we have arc side of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about t squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.